Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create a CRUD, C-R-U-D, which is something basic in programming, but something that is actually really useful. So hope you enjoy this tutorial. The thing that we're going to do is to make a connection between the layout and the index blade. So we're going to say that index stands to layout, which is our folder where we're going to we are going to fetch important information. Okay, layout and AB1. Then we're going to open a section we're going to write Crud, which is we're going to visualize, okay, once it is rendered. Good. Great. As you can notice, or as you can see, we don't actually have this file, so we're going to create it here. So we are making a copy. Then you just have to rename it. And that's it. Let's see if it is working. Okay. Yes, it is. Now you can visualize the Crud, C-R-U-D, and well, what else? Okay. So we need to go to our code editor and our terminal. Okay, great. And we're going to execute the following code. PHP artisan make Livewire, because we are using Livewire. Example, which is going to be our folder, examples dot form. Wonderful. And we're also going to need another file which we're going to name as table. So PHP artisan make Livewire examples dot table. Great. And once you have done this, you're going to notice that you actually happen to have these folders with these files. The wire, form, table, blah blah blah, and here the wire, form, blade, and table blade. Okay, now we are going to create a connection between our index and the files that we have just created. okay, and that are set by Livewire. So what is it that we're going to do now? First, we're going to create the connection, okay, in our index file, and then we're going to make sure that all the logic that is required is there, okay? So we're going to start, of course, by editing the code that isn't our form.php file. Notice this is our component. To work on our component form. Okay, so we're going to name our variables. And I'm going to determine that all of them are empty. Name, code. Great. Okay, we're also going to create another two functions so as to make our process to work correctly. So we're asking it to render first, then we're going to ask to clear it. We're going to create this name, please. This name, you set it as empty. Do the same with the others. So, in order to save this, please update. Or is it that you're going to manipulate? Well, you're going to take the variables, and you're going to set certain requirements. So require it to be stream, require okay. Okay. That's it. And now let's make a list. Example. Or an example name. Example. Save. And this here. Something is wrong. Okay. Unexpected. No, not even it. Sorry people, I was trying to fix this error. Good. And now this is it. Now our form file is complete. Okay, there are certain things that we need to reconsider. So we need to be careful with, for instance, the requirement that we are inserting in here. In this case, it shouldn't be a string, it should be an email. And in this section, actually we forgot assign values to these variables. So this is what you are getting here right now. Okay. Now we're going to set some inputs in order to be able to visualize all of these what we got in here. Let's see. So we need to go to views and then do Livewire examples and form. Here what you're going to find are the buttons, so they're going to collect the information. Okay, so I need to set some inputs. Input and a type. In this case, type is going to be test. Then you're going to need a model, so wire model. In this case, it's going to be name. And then a placeholder. Okay. This one is going to. Nice. And that's it. Test. First name, last name. To set our button. Right click. We call our function, which is save in a going to check. And this is how it has to be, okay? So let's insert the data. Audio. Number say now notice that this is clear. We need to check on our database that it is actually collecting, gathering the information. Let's refresh. And this is it. thanks for watching and see you in the next